Hello children, today is our first online class. I am Mrs. Bharti Dubey and I am going to teach you English text of 5th standard. And our first unit means poem is an ice cream man. Do you feel hot? I am feeling too hot. I think you must be feeling hot. So children, in which season you feel too hot? आपको गर्मी कब लगती है? कौन से सीजन में? In summer season. And what comes in your mind when you think of summer season? Let me give you one clue. What is so cold, sweet, creamy and wonderful to eat? Yes, you are right. It's everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream. And everyone's favorite person might be an ice cream man, who comes with his cart, and how children gather around him like a honey bee. Now you must be thinking, an ice cream man coming with his cart, because in cities we hardly see an ice cream man. But mostly we see the ice cream man with his cart in villages and towns. So today our poem is on ice cream man, written by Richard Field, who is an American novelist, poet and children fiction writer. So now let's start with our poem. When summer's in the city and brings a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little car goes trundling down the street. It means when it is very hot in summer season. So not only the city, town, villages, bricks, road, everything becomes very hot. Blaze of heat means जब गर्मी होती है तो कितना हमको बहुत ही गर्मी लगती है, आग जैसा लगता है. And that time during the summer season, an ice cream man with his round umbrella and little car goes trundling down the street to sell the ice cream. Trundling means to move with his cart on the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Beneath means below. So below his round umbrella. Okay? When he comes to, it's awesome to see an ice cream man. What do you mean by beneath? Beneath means below. So it looks awesome to see an ice cream man fills the cones of mounds. Mounds means the heat, the cream which he put in the cone. So it looks awesome to see the ice cream man when he put the creams in the cone with brown and white colors. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty treats, green, orange, white or pink. When we go to buy ice cream, the ice cream man or the shopkeeper is asking you that which flavor you want. So he is asking vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, whatever flavor we want. So ice cream man is also having different flavors of ice cream. Along with that, have you seen the bottle of cold drinks? Have you seen the bubbles in that? Why there is a bubble in the bottles? Because it is very cold, it is very chilled. Frosty frizz means the bottle is very chilled. So the ice cream man is having different flavors of ice creams, that is vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Along with that, he is having the colorful bottles of green, orange, white, pink cold drinks. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster around, as thick as the honey bees. The ice cream man's cart looks like a flower bed which fills with roses and sweet peas. When honey bees, they sees the flower bed, they get attractive towards the flower and they flies towards it. Similarly, children, when they see the cart with varieties of ice creams and cold drink, they rush and push towards the ice cream man to buy the ice cream. So I hope children that you must have understood the poem. Thank you.